Hey everyone, welcome to our video on how to start a small business in the USA. Starting a small business can be a rewarding experience, but it can also be overwhelming, especially for first-time entrepreneurs. That's why in this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to get your business up and running in the USA. Part 1. Legal requirements. The first step to starting a small business in the USA is to ensure that you meet all the legal requirements. This includes registering your business with the government, obtaining a tax identification number, and obtaining any necessary permits and licenses. You may also need to apply for trademarks or patents if you have a unique product or service. Part 2. Choosing the right business structure. Next, you'll need to choose the right business structure for your small business. The most common business structures in the USA are sole proprietorship, LLC, and corporation. Each structure has its own pros and cons, so it's important to research and choose the one that's right for you. Part 3. Financing your business. Starting a small business can be expensive, and you may need to look into financing options. There are several financing options available, such as small business loans, grants, and crowdfunding. You'll need to research each option to find the one that works best for your business. Part 4. Marketing your business. Once you've got your business up and running, you'll need to market it to attract customers. This includes creating a website, social media accounts, and business cards. You may also want to consider running advertisements, hosting events, or partnering with other businesses to increase your visibility. Part 5. Staying compliant. Finally, it's important to stay compliant with all the regulations and laws in the USA. This includes filing taxes, keeping accurate records, and staying up to date with any changes in laws that may affect your business. Conclusion. Starting a small business in the USA can be challenging, but with the right guidance and resources, it can also be incredibly rewarding. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to starting and growing a successful small business in the USA. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best on your entrepreneurial journey.